Here are the top 7 things you need to know about mold. 1. Mold thrives in moist environments. Mold grows best in damp, humid conditions. It can appear in as little as 24 to 48 hours if the conditions are right, such as in areas where water damage has occurred, leaks, flooding, or where humidity levels are high, above 60%. Common places where mold may grow include basements, bathrooms, kitchens, attics, and areas with poor ventilation. 2. Mold can be harmful to health. Mold exposure can lead to various health issues, ranging from allergic reactions, sneezing, coughing, itchy eyes, to respiratory problems, wheezing, asthma exacerbations. Some molds, particularly black mold, can produce mycotoxins that may be harmful, especially with long-term exposure. Vulnerable groups include children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems or respiratory conditions. 3. Not all mold is visible. Mold doesn't always show up as the fuzzy green, black, or white patches we often associate with it. It can grow in hidden places, such as behind walls, under floors, inside air ducts, or in your HVAC system. If you're experiencing symptoms like a stuffy nose, coughing, or fatigue and can't see mold, it might be hidden from view but still affecting your health. 4. Preventing mold starts with managing moisture. The key to mold prevention is controlling moisture. This means fixing leaks promptly, from plumbing, roofs, windows, etc. Using dehumidifiers in humid areas like basements or bathrooms. Improving ventilation by using exhaust fans, opening windows when possible, and running your air conditioner in humid weather. Cleaning up water spills quickly, example, after flooding, heavy rains, or plumbing issues, to avoid mold growth. 5. You don't always need professional help to clean mold. Small mold problems, less than 10 square feet, can often be cleaned up by homeowners. You can use soap and water, a diluted bleach solution, or commercial mold removal products to scrub affected surfaces. However, for larger infestations, especially those in HVAC systems or behind walls, it's often best to call a professional mold remediation specialist to ensure thorough and safe removal. 6. Mold can be hard to get rid of. Mold often reappears if the underlying moisture problem isn't resolved. Simply cleaning the mold without addressing the cause, example, fixing leaks, improving ventilation, will usually lead to it coming back. For persistent mold problems, you may need to replace materials like drywall, carpeting, or insulation that are heavily contaminated. 7. Mold can affect property and structural integrity. Mold doesn't just pose health risks. It can also cause damage to your property. It can degrade and destroy materials like wood, drywall, insulation, and carpeting. In severe cases, mold can compromise the structural integrity of a building, leading to costly repairs if not addressed early. Bonus tip: know when to get professional help if you have a significant mold problem, covering large areas, persistent after cleaning, or if it's hidden in walls or ceilings. It's time to call a mold remediation professional. They can assess the situation, safely remove the mold, and help ensure your home is restored to a healthy state. By understanding these 7 key aspects of mold, you'll be better prepared to prevent it, manage exposure, and handle any mold problems that come up effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping safe and healthy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content to help you tackle challenges. Thanks for watching.